श्रीगणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। यैरिमे गुरुभिः पूर्वं पदवाक्यप्रमाणतः व्याख्याताः सर्ववेदान्ताः तान् नित्यं प्रणतोऽस्म्यहम्। ॐ शन्नो मित्रः शं वरुणः शन्नो भवत्वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्तिः। शीक्षां व्याख्यास्यामः वर्णस्वरः मात्राबलं सामसन्तानः इत्युक्तः शीक्षाध्यायः। सहनौ यशः सहनौ ब्रह्मवर्चसम् अथातः संहिताया उपनिषदं व्याख्यास्यामः। पञ्चस्वधिकरणेषु अधिलोकमधिज्योतिषमधिविद्यमधिप्रजमध्यात्मम् तामहासंहिता इत्याचक्षते। अथाधिलोकम् पृथिवी पूर्वरूपम् द्यौरुत्तररूपम् आकाशः सन्धिः वायुः सन्धानम् इत्यधिलोकम्। अथाधिद्यौतिषम् अग्निः पूर्वरूपम् आदित्य उत्तररूपम् आपः सन्धिः वैद्युतः सन्धानम् इत्यधिज्योतिषम्। अथाधिविद्यम् आचार्यः पूर्वरूपम् अन्तेवास्युत्तररूपम् विद्यासन्धिः प्रवचनकं सन्धानम् इत्यधिविद्यम्। अथाधिप्रजम् माता पूर्वरूपम् पितोत्तररूपम् प्रजासन्धिः प्रजननकं सन्धानम् इत्यधिप्रजम्। अथाध्यात्मम् अधराहनुः पूर्वरूपम् उत्तराहनुरुत्तररूपम् वाक्सन्धिः जिह्वासन्धानम् ityadhyatmam iti mamahasagam yayeva meta mahasagam hita vyakhyata veda sandhiyate prajaya pashubhihi brahmavarchasena nadyena suvargena lokena. So, we saw what is Samhita Upanishad, that is Sandhi, juxtapositions. Meditation on Sandhi now is being told, and first these two are prayers offered by the student. Sahanau Yashaha, Sahanau Brahmavarchasam. May the fame, our fame spread everywhere, plus also Brahmavarchas also. Sishyasya hi akrutartatvat prarthanaha upapadyate na acharyasya krutartatvat. Krutartho hi acharyo nama bhavati. This prayer is offered on the part of disciple and not from the teacher, because akrutartha is akrutarthi is the disciple and not the teacher. Who is acharya? Acharyo nama krutartho. Krutartho hi acharyo nama bhavati. One who is fulfilled alone is called as acharya. Atha anantaram adhyayana lakshana vidhanasya ataha yataha atyartham grandhabhavita buddhi na shakyate sahasa arthajnana vishaye avatarayitam iti ataha samhitaya upanishadam samhita vishayam darshanam iti etad grantha sannikrishtameva vyakhyāsyāmah panchasvadhikaraneshu ashrayeshu jnana vishayeshu ityarthaha. Now, so first Śīkṣā we start. Śīkṣā, that is science of pronunciation, is taught. Now, atha means after this. Like athato brahma jignasa, atha yoganuṣāsanam. Atha Shabda is very elaborately explained in our Shastras and subsequent commentaries. Atha, whenever this, because especially in athato karma jignasa, in Purvamimamsa, the Karma Sutras begin with Atha Shabda. In Brahma Sutras, the first sutra is Athato Brahma Jignasa. In Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Atha Yoganuṣāsanam. So Atha indicates after this. After this means what? Something is preceded by something. So Atha means Anantaram, after this. What is that? Adhyayana lakshana vidhanasya. Now, after this, the Adhyayana lakshanam, how the study has to be made, science of pronunciation, ucharana, this Adhyayanam. Adhyayana means Veda Patha. In Hindi mein aap log Patha bolte hain, Patha. Adhyayanam, Veda Adhyayanam. So, lakshanasya, Veda Adhyayana lakshanasya vidhanasya. So, what are the methods of chanting Veda? This has to be told. So this was taught. Now, having completed the method of studying the text, Adhyayana, Parayana, Vidhi, Lakshanam, having completed this, then Ataha, therefore, we are now since Atyartham Grantha Bhavita Buddhi na Shakyate Sahasa Artha Jnana Vishaya Avatarviti Ataha Samhitaya Upanishadam. Now, Ataha means now, after this, after the disciples were taught how to study the Vedas, after this, what is the next step? Samhitaya Upanishadam. Samhita Vishayam Darshanam. Now, after this, Samhita Vishaya is taught. Samhita means what? We said Samhita Upanishad, meaning science of juxtaposition, Sandhi. There is a Sandhi, big Sandhi. So, through this very familiar grammar, Sandhi is a grammar. In Vyakarana, we study. Now, we use, the Rishis, the teacher, uses this simple understanding, that is Sandhi, Samhita Vishayam, Samhito Upanishad Visa. Samhita is Upanishad called, science of combination of different letters, Sandhi, juxtaposition. Now, this Samhita Vishaya Samhitaya Upanishadam Samhita Vishayam Darshanam. Now it is now presented. After the Adhyayana Lakshanam was over, how to teach, how to chant was taught, how to read was taught, then Samhita Upanishad started. What is Samhitaya? Upanishadam Samhita Vishayam Darshanam iti etat. Now, why it is taught? It is taught now immediately. Samhita Upanishad, that is science of sandhis. Through science of sandhis, something is taught. Now, number one, disciples are always taught in the language of their familiarity. This is a great technique adopted by the rishis. Now you learned grammar. After learning grammar, Adhyayana Lakshanam, you are familiar with the concepts of grammar. So using those same concepts, slowly the mind is lifted to Upasana. So I am not using a new language. I am not presenting to you suddenly something new language, but the language I am using, that language with which you are familiar. So far, just now student has completed Sandhi. Now Sandhi is a word, that is how to combine, combination of letters, two words. Two words are brought, that Sandhi takes place. Now this Sandhi is taught. That means the student is just now learnt grammar, Adhyayana Lakshanam, Śīkṣā Vallī, all those things he learnt. Varnasvaraha, Matra, Balam, Sama Santanaha, Ityuktasya, Ekshadhyaya, all these things he taught. Now, in this way, the teacher is now teaching Upasana. How? By bringing, देखो संधि तुमको सिखाया गया, हाँ. Now same sandhis are also there in the universe, everywhere, in the creation. Now, I am taught something by the teacher which I am already familiar with. What I am familiar with? The concept of sandhi, the science of combination of words, how two words are brought, sandhi is created. You must have heard so many sandhis are there. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, Guna Sandhi, so many sandhis are there. Right. Now, why it is taught? Because now student, for many years, his mind was engaged in repeating the words of the Vedas. Therefore, Bhagavan, yataha, since atyartham grantha bhavita buddhi, that buddhi which is extremely used to repeating or learning or chanting the grantha bhava, that is words, adhyayana, whatever grantha he says. Now, atyanta grantha bhavita buddhi, because the buddhi which is now used to पाठ, हम भी करते हैं पाठ, ये पाठ करो, वो पाठ करो. So buddhi is stuck up there. और पाठ में पाठ. Now such a buddhi which is stuck up in path, it is difficult to take out that buddhi and train that buddhi towards the meaning. आप देखो सालों बरसों से आप लोग ये पाठ करते जा रहे हैं, कभी आपके मन में सोच विचार लगाया क्या कि इसका मीनिंग क्या हो सकता है? आप पाठ से संतुष्ट हैं? देखिए, जो भी पाठ, ललिता सहस्रनाम ले लो, रामचरितमानस ले लो, या नहीं तो कुछ भी आप पाठ करते हो, जो भी पाठ, बुद्धि अत्यंत ग्रंथ भाविता बुद्धि ही, that buddhi which is used to only repeating and adhyayana lakshanam. Vedadhyayana is a good sadhana, but the buddhi has to be lifted up from there again towards the meaning of it. Therefore, na shakyate sahasa, immediately. It is not possible. Na shakyate, where artha jnana vishaye avatara yutam. To make the meaning descended in the buddhi, to make the buddhi or turn towards the meaning, to make the buddhi turn towards the meaning of the Veda Adhyayanam, which is now used only to पाठ. हर वेरी विचित्र की बात है. पहले पहले पाठ तो ठीक है, अब जीवन भर पाठ के पीछे पड़े रहते. पाठ ठीक है, नहीं तो आप लोग मीनिंग तो छोड़, मीनिंग तो आता नहीं, वो ये भी छोड़ देंगे, वो भी उभय वर्षत्व. तैत्तिरीय उपनिषद में पढ़ाया गया क्या? पाठ बेकार है. अच्छा, और वहां पे कहा क्या कहा गया? वो छोड़ दो. क्यों? मीनिंग के बारे में सोचते हैं, हमें कौन बताता है, आजकल मुश्किल है. अच्छा, छोड़ दिया, छोड़ दिया. पाठ वो भी छोड़ दी. क्यों? तैत्तिरीय उपनिषद में कहा गया. वाह 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 वाह. अब तो ये भी छोड़ दिए, वो भी छोड़ दिए. और ब्लेम किसको? आचार्य को. और सच आचार्यस आर वेरी गुड आचार्यस, बिकॉज दे टेल यू टू ड्रॉप एवरीथिंग एक्सेप्ट ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर. यू लाइक देम. बहुत अच्छे आचार्य, सब छोड़ने के लिए कहते हैं. वाह. सो इसे अत्यर्थम ग्रंथ भाविता बुद्धि न शक्यते. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर दैट बुद्धि. वेर सहसा अर्थ ज्ञान विषये अवतारितम इति. No, artha jnanam is there, no? Not simple vakya jnanam or pada jnanam. But artha jnanam, meaning also is required. Though mind, this is used only, buddhi used to chanting, उस mind को लेकर के suddenly you want to give the meaning ना, वो सुनने के लिए तैयार नहीं होता है. You observe now, very important, that when a teacher is trying to explain the meaning of one shloka to a disciple who had by hearted all the shlokas of the text, और ये मीनिंग थोड़ा समझ में आ गया होगा उसको, इधर उसको दूसरा श्लोक याद आता है. When one teacher is commenting on one shlok, the disciples remember other quotations from other scriptures similar to this. Mane, the particular meaning on he is not interested, because he feels that what the word meaning, if I have come to know, that is itself is the meaning. But that is artha jnanam also, implied meaning is there. Implied meaning के लिए आचार्य चाहिए. Implied meaning is more important, not the immediately direct meaning available. Direct meaning is misunderstood. So यहाँ पे देखिए, सहसा अर्थ ज्ञान विषये अवतारितम इति अतः न शक्यते ग्रंथ अत्यंतम ग्रंथ भावता बुद्धि ही अतः therefore now the disciple is taught samhitaya upanishadam. Now what is samhita? Whatever you are learning in the same language, I am trying to divert your mind slowly, step by step, to that nirguna parabrahma tattva. Directly I cannot say Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya Jivo Brahmaiva Na Paraha. Immediately I cannot say that. Sarvam Kalvidam Brahma. Immediately I cannot say that. To the man who is used and very happy that he had by-hearted Vedas, such a person immediately I cannot do anything. So Samhita Upanishadam, Samhitaya Upanishadam. What is Samhita Upanishad? The science of, so Samhita is called Upanishad. Upanishad called Samhita. What is Samhita? Science of combination of the words. Darshanam iti etad grantha sannikrishtameva. Because this subject, etad, this vidya, what is Samhita, is closely related to the text itself. Why? Text में आप देख रहे हैं ना, I heard one great Mahatma, he told his teacher, I am not interested in to learn Vyakaranam, that is grammar. Vyakaranam में, takes again 5, 7 years, 8 years to study, 10 years, 12 years, they say, to study Vyakaran. only Vedic grammar, because each word, how it is evolved. It's a big subject. So, especially in ashramas, traditional ashramas, they take a lot of time to teach grammar. After teaching grammar, then only the texts are taught, major texts. But one great Mahatma is Abhi bhi hai, great sannyasi. He said this to Guru, that I am not interested in Vyakaranam. Without Vyakarana, you tell me Brahma Sutra Bhashya, you tell me Upaniṣad Bhashya. Vyakaranam hum pasand nahi. Mind doesn't go. His teacher is another Guru, great Guru. He said, "Theek hai." And what did he do? He directly started Brahma Sutras. While Brahma Sutra पढ़ाते समय पूरा व्याकरण उनको सिखा दिया. एक एक शब्द का कहाँ से इसका उत्पत्ति क्या है, बीज रूट क्या है, how it modifies and how it combines with different words and what kind of meanings are given out and what are the implied meaning of those words. पूरा एक एक लाइन में व्याकरण बोलते बोलते ब्रह्मसूत्र, बट ब्रह्मसूत्र के साथ साथ में ये भी पढ़ा दिया. Why? No, here Bhagavan Shankaracharya Grantha Sannikrushtameva, because etat Grantha Sannikrushta, meaning this subject about Sandhi is closely related to the text, that which you are already using those words, you know, you are familiar with it. So therefore, Sannikrushtameva Vyakhyāsyāmaha, we shall now explain to you. Visheshena Akhyāsyāmaha. Khyāti, so many words are there. So we shall now explain to you. Very easy for you to grasp it. Did you get my point? So the language of what is known to disciples so far, what has been taught. Since his buddhi is extremely attached to the part and he is familiar with the sandhis and everything, that grammar, through that grammar knowledge only slowly he is taught how to turn his attention towards something greater, upasana, and then go further. Always in words, what happened? Two words are to be combined. The last letter of the first word and the first letter of the second word. They are combined. In that combination, they are replaced. Something. Unless you know sandhi, you cannot split the words. Ati plus antam, atyantam. So if you don't know, otherwise it becomes very difficult. So if you know sandhi, you can split the words. Otherwise you cannot even read bhashya. So sandhi knowledge is required. How these two words are brought. First basic sandhi, then with patti, then expansion of that, then words, how they are born and what are the things and all. So now Vyakhyāsyāmaha. How we are going to explain to us that Panchasu Adhikaraneshu under 5 headings. Panchasu Adhikaraneshu Ashrayeshu Jnana Vishayeshu Ityartaha. So under 5 headings with subject matters related to the knowledge only, Jnana Vishayeshu. So under 5 headings, taking support of this 5 ashraya, 5 headings, we shall now teach you something called Samhita Upanishad. Very beautiful. Now, let us see. Kanitani ityaha. What are there? How many? That is the meaning. What are these 5 meditations you are talking about? Under 5 headings. Meditations under 5 headings. Panchas Adhikarana. Adhilokam Lokeshu Adhi Yad Darshanam Tad Adhilokam Tatha Adhityotisham Adhividyam Adhiprajam Adhyatmam Iti. Now, Kanitani, how many meditations are there? 5 meditations are brought under 5. What are they? Now, there are first one Adhilokam. Now, Adhilokam means meditation with regards to the Prithvi or universe. First one, Adhilokam. Then Adhityotisham. Adhityotisham, meditation with regards to shining things or fire, Agni Tattva, Agni, principle of fire. All those shining things, Adit Jyotisham. And third one is Adividyam. Tada Adit Jyotisham, Adividyam. Adividyam is meditation pertaining to knowledge. Regarding knowledge. And the Adividyam, Adiprajam, meditations regarding progeny. And Adhyatmam, meditation regards to body or one's own self body. Now, here, before we go into the details of this, let us study something. Now, here, remember, when it is said meditation on these five things are Adi, what you call Adilokam, Adit Jyotisham, Adividyam, Adiprajam, Adhyatmam, they are not, suppose meditation on earth, fire, regarding teacher and regarding, knowledge, regarding knowledge, regarding self. When it is told regarding progeny, we are not asked to contemplate on the material things. It implies to meditate upon those presiding deities or devatas. So, behind the background, what is happening in the phenomenal world, the sandhis, great Mahasandhi, when you listen you will understand all those things. What is happening in the world which is seen is supported by, operated by devatas. The minutes at intelligences level, this kind of coordination and something else is being created. So you are now slowly lifted through Sandhi, something universal phenomena, to a level of universal phenomena, where your buddhi and mind and intellect is sharpened to think little subtler. अभी तक हमारा मन कहाँ है? पाठ में. इतना कि if someone makes a little mistake of one word spelling or one letter, जो पाठ में जो निष्णात पुरुष है ना, उन्होंने established in पाठ, immediately he mistakes. देखो ये पाठ तो ऐसे राग गलत है, ताल गलत है, मात्रा ज़्यादा हो गया, मात्रा कम हो गए, यहाँ पे ये तो गलत पड़ा है, तो यहाँ पे एक लेटर ये प्रोनाउंस करना था, उनको ऐसा प्रोनाउंस किया, उच्चारण ठीक नहीं थी. जो पाठ में फंस जाता है ना, उनका मन बस. Like example, classic example, very less people in the world, very less, hardly 1% per 100 if we take, those who lift their minds to the implied meaning or meaning of the various what you call compositions composed by great musicians and artists in the past. When you sing them, almost all audience as well as the singers are lost in tala, raga, bas, and laya, and then harmony between those instruments. If you really contemplate on the meaning of those krutis, your mind will be lifted to meditation. But हम लोग जब म्यूजिक प्रोग्राम में जाते हैं ना सुनने के लिए, where is your mind? That means because we are stuck up only with raga, tala, laya. ये कौन सा राग है? बढ़िया है, उसी में हम फंस गए. How many of us, when singing is going on, you are contemplating on the meaning of those words sung by the singer? अब आपको पता चला, जो उसमें फंस जाता है ना, उसी में है. When we listen, mind-boggling meanings are there. But we don't contemplate on the meanings. You take Mera Bhajan le lo, most of the bhajans also. When the classical singers, when we sing, Wah, kya raag hai, kya. So Puspasyat. Therefore here, very important thing is that we have to meditate on the subtler things with the help of the grosser things. Grosser thing जो हो रहा है दिख रहा है, that is the meaning. So here, what is that now? Adhilokam, Adhividyam, Adhiprajam, Adhyatmam. Okay. Ta etaha pancha vishaya upanishadaha lokadi mahavastu vishayatvat samhita vishayatvacha mahatyasya ta samhitasya mahasamhita iti achakshate kathayanti vedavidaha. Wise people speak about these meditations as mahasamhita. They are not ordinary samhitas. Samhita means science of sandhis. They are not ordinary samhitas. Vedavidaha, knowers of Vedas, speak about these sandhis as mahasandhis, mahasamhita. Why they are called mahasamhitaha? Ta etaha panchavishaya upanishadaha. Upanishad means here samhitaha. These 5 kinds of meditations which are now pointed out in this Upanishad: Adhilokam, Adhijyautisham, Adhividyam, Adhiprajam, Adhyatmam. That is meditations pertaining to or regarding these 5 major things which are now pointed on Upanishads. Ta yetaha panchavishaya upanishadaha lokadi mahavastu vishayatvat. Now these are the meditations pertaining to the great objects, mahavastu, in the prapancha, in Vishay, in creation. Why? Because when you reason, you will understand. What is fire? One of the elements. What is Prithvi? One of the elements. See. Adhilokam, Adhijyautisham. What is Vidya? One of the big things. Big Vidya is a big subject. What is Prajapatikari? At the universal level, the beings are created. So these are the sandhi. Now which sandhi we are talking about? About the great sandhis which are taking place in the universe. So Mahavastu Vishaya, Lokadi, Mahavastu, Loka Adi, etc. Loka Adi means the Prithvi, etc., universe, etc., such as Mahavastu Vishayatvat. These are the Mahavastu. Regarding great things. Great things they are all. Not ordinary things. So about great things we are talking about great combinations. Mahavastu Vishayatvat, number 1. Samhita Vishayatvatcha. So we are first of all discussing about the great objects, Lokadi, etc. Plus, we are discussing about the combination of those great objects. So, because of these two, Mahatyascha ta samhitascha, such meditations or such Upanishads, such combination, meditation samhitascha, they are called as Mahasamhita. They are called Mahasamhita. Why? Because we are now discussing about great combinations, great sandhis, great juxtapositions. So, this disciple's mind is slowly lifted now to the universe, to the creation. Sandhi is not only in the textbook what we read, but संधि के बारे में मैं आपको और कुछ समझाता हूँ. ये और ये उस संधि में ये होता है. Because in sandhi what happens? When you combine two words, the one is Purva Rupam. What is Purva Rupam? It will come now. Two words are used. Purva Rupam, Uttara Rupam, Purva Rupam, Uttara Rupam. What is Purva Rupa? Purva Rupa is the last letter in the first word. It is Purva Rupa. And what is Uttara Rupa? First letter in the second word. So in a combination, when these two are combined, these two letters are combined, something third letter is produced there. Is it not? Something extra comes in between. Because of the sandhi, combination of these two, something is produced, created. Similarly, in these great sandhis which are happening related to Lokadi Mahavastu Vishayatvacha, Samhita also, they are related to Samhita also, about the great objects also, the Mahasamhita, iti achakshate Veda Vidaha, the knowers of Vedas. So there are Purva Rupam and Uttara Rupam. Before we start the text I am talking. So in this, what is happening now? What is Uttara Rupa and Purva Rupa Visa? Now see the great combinations. First we can mention, then we can go through it. Because Bhagavan Shankaracharya only told about first one. And second, third, fourth, apply the same principle to the rest four, he said, in this commentary. So let us now understand first, then we go through that bhashya. Now usme kya hai? There are 5 things are given. One is left side column, you can write earth, iske niche fire, then iske niche teacher, iske niche mother, and iske niche lower jaw, J-A-W. 5 things are given. Now what is this Purva Rupa? About earth, fire, teacher, mother. Uttara Rupa should make it as earth, that side heaven. And fire, this side sun. And this side teacher, that side Shishya, student. This side mother, that side father. And this side lower jaw, that side upper jaw. Now these combinations are now to be contemplated. Sandhi. So let us now see what is happening. So atha tasam yatha upanyasthanam adhilokam darshanam uchyate. Yatha upanya. Now one more thing they say. Idea one is that to an advanced seeker, he may meditate on any one of the upasanas pointed out, and he would get to know the principle behind this. He will establish in the principle and go beyond. Thus, he will be redeemed from the clutches of being caught up in only part. So all 5 meditations are not necessary for an advanced seeker. If he understand the principle which is there through at least one sandhi and apply his mind to the cosmos, and thus mind and intellect is slowly lifted from, which is caught up now buddhi, from part to the subtlety is grown, so his upasana is increasing. Right? Otherwise, some other great commentators say that as a part of a regular exercise or a training, disciples are taught on all the 5 meditations serially. So serially are to be meditated. First adhilokam, then slightly adhijyotisham, adhividyam still abstract, adhiprajam, then adhyatma. Slowly it is told. One after one is taught. Either way, atha tasam yatha upanyasthanam, as they are presented to us in a serial way, lokam, darshanam uchyate. First adhilokam is now stated to us. What is adhiloka meditation now? Darshana, the krama vivakshatartho atha shabdaha. Now atha is there, no? Atha, now, you know, athadilokam, athajyotisham. This atha word is again repeated. Athadilokam, athajyotisham, athadividyam, athadiprajam. In that main text. Atha is what used, no, again and again. Athadilokam, athadijyotisham. Adhijyotisham, atha adhividyam, atha. You see the text, main text. Athadilokam, athadijyotisham. Ek baad, next. Atha means what? This atha shabda is telling us that the seriatim, the sequence of meditation. Did you get it or not in the main text? Mein? First Athadilokam is explained. Vajusandhanam Nityadilokam Athadidyautisham. Again, after explaining what is meditation about the Sandhi and Athadidyautisham pertaining to shining objects, then again comes to Athadividyam. इसके बाद Athadiprajam. So atha word is used. So darshana krama, here the presented order, the order of presentation. Order of presentation means order of meditation is given there. First adhilokam, then adhidyotisham, then adhividyam, then adhiprajam, then adhyatmam. Vivakṣatartho. To show the order only, this atha shabda is given, and this atha shabda sarvatra, everywhere atha is added. It is indicating the order of the meditation on these 5 Upanishads. Okay? Now, Sarvatra. Now, first one, Prithvi Purva Rupam, Purva Varnaha Purva Rupam. Now we saw Purva Varna, Uttara Varna, Purva Rupa or Purva Varna. That previous preceding letter, the prefix, the last letter of the first word. In this case, first sandhi is Prithvi is Purva Rupam. Prithvi is here this side, Purva Rupam. Samhitayaha Purvae Varne Prithvi Drushtihi Kartavya iti. Now imagine one has to think that Prithvi Drushti and the Samhita in this combination of the sandhi, contemplation on sandhi. First imagine Prithvi is this side, proceeding as last letter of the first word. So one have to think about it. Kartavyeti. You place that Prithvi there. And what is the other side? Tatha Jauhu Uttara Rupam Akashaha Antariksha. Other side Uttara Rupa place Akasha. That means Prithvi and Akasha is sandhi is now brought out. There is a link between Prithvi and Akasha Antariksha Loka. Now that side. Between these two क्या है? तथा द्यौः उत्तर रूपम आकाशो अंतरिक्ष लोकः संधिम मध्यम पूर्व उत्तर रूपयोः. What is पूर्व and उत्तर रूपयोः? Between these two, पूर्व रूप and उत्तर रूप संधि मध्ययोः, the middle one, संधीयते, the middle one, and अस्मिन् पूर्व उत्तर रूपे इति. That means in the middle one, whatever sandhi, both the first and the last are get united. Asmin means in madhyam, purvottara rupayoho madhye, sandhim madhyam, sandhihi madhyam, purvottara rupayoho sandhiyate, asmin sandhiyate. In this middle letter, these two are united, is it not? When I said when two words are combined, that is combination between the last word of the first word, letter of the first word, and the first letter of the second word, when they are combined, when I said, what did I say? There is something third is born. So that madhya, in this madhya, they are united, no? United where? In the new letter which is produced. Bachpan mein padh ke, when sandhis were taught to you in the class and school, you thought it is all useless. So, हमें ये सब क्या करना है? इसको वहां जोड़ दो, ये जोड़ दो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है सब? करके सब छोड़ दो. But you don't know the prarabdha chases. Now Taittirīya Upaniṣad फिर शुरू किया. सावरण दीर्घ संधि, कोण संधि started. अच्छा हो. कम से कम अगले जन्म में ठीक से पढ़ना. पहले से. So we don't give any importance to Vyakaran, grammar. Now I am seeing your faces so confused. कब खत्म होगा उपनिषद? आपको जो समझ में असली चीज में हम सबको ना, वी आर सो इंस्पायर्ड टू लिसनिंग टू दोज थिंग्स व्हिच वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. such as go beyond mind, go beyond intellect, वाह 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 वाह, कुछ समझ में तो नहीं आया. We are so inspired to listen those things about which we know nothing. There, the supreme consciousness, wow, क्या बताया, कुछ waking consciousness ही हमको ठीक से पता नहीं चलता. Very interesting minds, you know. ये तो वेदांत तो पढ़ा ही है स्वामी जी, ये सब क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं, ये वेदांत ही है. अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है, मानना पड़ता है. भगवान शंकराचार्य जी ने भाष्य तो लिखा होगा तो ठीक है. So that is our problem. I know you are listening as though nothing is understood, as though other things you claim that you understood. मजा आया ना, मजा ठीक है. So पूर्व वर्ण पूर्व रूपम, then madhya, in that madhya asmin na उत्तर रूपम आकाश, and then पूर्व संधि मध्यम पूर्व उत्तर रूपयोः संधीयते अस्मिन् पूर्व उत्तर रूपे इति. Now in this पूर्व उत्तर रूपे, in between the letter which is produced, there the previous one letter and the suffix of the two words, letters in the two words, the last letter and the first letter of the second word and last letter of the first word, when they are united in that which is in between sandhi, is it not? That's what Shankaracharya says. That means in our meditation there is some other factor in which these two are united, into which these two are united. So what is that? Sandhiyate asmin purvottara rupe iti. What is that? Vayu sandhanam. The Vayu is sandhanakarta. Why? Gurudev beautifully says, commentary, moisture in the atmosphere which is created because of the solar radiation as well as the heat in the earth. Think. Moisture is created because of heat only again. Vayu, here moisture in the atmosphere, they are always there, moisture is always there. So that is sandhana. The joining, that is in between factor, between earth and the Dhyauloka. The Vayu which is around the earth, atmosphere, the moisture in that is sandhi. The earth, heat in the earth reflects up, plus sun's radiation, the sandhi taking place. So Prithvi Purva Rupam, Dyauhu, that is in other ways, of course, moisture extreme, Akasha, Vayu Sandhanam, moisture is Sandhanam. Sandhiyate anena iti. So by which things they are connected. Anena sandhiyate. By this Vayu they are connected. Ityadhi lokam darshanam uktam. Atha adijyaudisham ityadi samanam. Now similarly atha jyaudisham pertaining to all those things, this is all same way it has to be meditated upon. Now let us quickly go through what is other meditations. Bhagwan Shankaracharya said it's samanam. Now rest you think. I gave one clue. You think. Now second one is what? Adhadit Jyotisham Agni Purva Rupam Aditya Uttara Rupam. Now one is Prithvi, in the first one Prithvi Purva Rupam, Jaulok, Akasha is, Vayu is in between, Sandhanam. In the case of Agni and moisture example I gave only for second one, remembering Gurudev's example. Agni is fire in the Purva Rupam, that is here, this side. And Aditya, sun, Uttara Rupam. Apa Sandhi, moisture, is created. And third one, what is the Vajjuta Sandhanam? What is that? Lightning is there, Sandhanam. It brings that. Beautiful. In between. Is created because of earth and the sun. Between clouds are created. There lightning is created. In the Sandhi, something new is born. Sandhana karta is what you call apaha, and then what is come out of it is vidyut, lightning. Similarly, acharya purva rupam, antevasi uttara rupam, shishya is uttara rupam, acharya is purva rupam. Between them, what is sandhanam? Pravachanam. Pravachanagam sandhanam. So this the speaking, lecture, brings the disciple and the teacher sandhanam. Pravachanagam sandhanam. What is sandhi? Vidya. Vidya is sandhi. Very beautiful. Learning is instruction. The purpose is learning. Instruction is, medium of instruction is, medium is instruction. Okay. Then praja sandhi, no, mata purva rupam, pitottara rupam, mata purva rupam, pita, father uttara rupam, praja sandhi, and procreation is sandhanam. Progeny is sandhi, procreation is sandhanam. That is the activity there. Ityati prajam, atha adhyatmam, atha rahuna purva rupam, uttarahana rupam, vak sandhi, jihva sandhanam, no, vak, lower ja, upper ja, vak sandhi, speech. Other than all they move, no? Jihva sandhan, ityadhyatmam, all those things are samanam. Thus, 5 great sandhis are pointed out. That means devatas. That means now what is happening in sandhi? Sandhi to the maha great vastus in the creation, great things, lokadi, maha vastu vishayatvat. Plus, from that I meditate on devatas, because of whose grace this is all happening. Then my mind and intellect is slowly lifted to upasana level. This is something universal. Did you get the point? Iti ima ityukta upapradarshante. Thus, iti, this, thus, and these, ima. Iti ima. They come no mantra mein. Iti ima. Iti ukta upapradarshante. There now it is showed now. What is that? Yaha kaschid evameta mahasamhita vyakhyata veda upaste veda iti upasanam syat vijnana adhikarat iti prachina yogyo upasva iti cha vachanat upasanam cha yathashastram tulya prachaya santatihi asankirna cha atat prachayaihi shastra ukta alambana vishaya cha prasiddhascha upasana shabdhartho loke गुरुम उपास्ते राजानम उपास्त इति यो हि गुरुवादीन संततम उपचरति स उपास्त इति उच्यते स च फलम आपनोति उपासनस्य अतः अत्रापि चय एवं वेद संधीयते प्रजादिभिः स्वर्गान्तैः प्रजादि फलानि आपनोति इत्यर्थः. This we will take up tomorrow. We can complete this thought. So today we have just slowly lifted our mind to upasanas, great sandhis which are taking place in the universe. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.